tonight, not for the jewels in the crown. I could have danced all night, I could have danced all night, and still have begged for more. I could have spread my wings and done 1,000 things I've never done before. I never know what made it so exciting. Why all at once my heart took flight. I only know when he began to dance with me, I could have danced.
Singing Bird.
Sir?
Do you know what you did at the last audition? At the public audition? You remember what you did?
I remember.
You remember? Good. You did not impress me then.
Okay.
But you have redeemed yourself today. It's a yes.
I think from what my co-judge just said, I was the one person you didn't impress. I was so pissed at you that day. I almost felt like not allowing you coming through to this stage. But you've actually, like you also said, redeemed yourself today. You have done what I know the Singing Bird to do. So at least I can give a Singing Bird a yes today.
I was not there at the public auditions, so I don't know what you did. I've only seen what you've done tonight, what you've done this evening. Good choice of song. Suits your voice, and it's like you own that song. Who is the composer of that song anyway?
Frederick Lowe.
Did he do it alongside with you?
Yes.
No, that's great. Good performance. It's a yes for me too.